Today I want to talk to you about our new eVision thruster motors and specifically the connection of your battery cables. Behind the self-captive screw here is the connection of your battery cables. Now in the original product, we were supplying it with the hardware already on the post. That is a nut, a lock washer, and then a flat washer. Okay, it's really important that all these pieces of hardware come off, that your lug goes on and settles on top of this flat surface here, and then the other hardware goes right back on top, so flat washer, lock washer, and nut. If the flat washer were to be left underneath your lug, that's a mistake and that'll cause big problems for our new motor. Okay, in the manual, we highlight this. One of the changes that we've recently made is rather than this hardware being installed on there already, now what we're doing is the hardware is supplied loose in a bag such that you have to install it on top of, and there's also a nice little warning label here to make sure that you're following the connections properly. So again, no hardware underneath your lugs. Your lugs need to be right on top of that post.